Stuff you're gonna need, either a 15/16 or a 24mm socket. I'm using an extension, probably a 6-inch extension. Something to catch the oil, a funnel, some type of parts cleaner, optional, a torque wrench, and then a little over 1 quart of oil, 10W40. It's rated for 1.1 quarts. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take this hose, get it out of the way, so it doesn't get soaked in oil. This is your drain bolt right here. It's also got your filter inside of there, and that's your 24mm. All right, you can see the pieces that come out. So you've got your cap right here. It's got an O-ring on the inside of it. But you also got these two right here, your spring and your strainer, your filter right here. From here, get your cap wiped out. Let's get everything cleaned up. Most importantly, I want to wash out anything that's inside of this little strainer, this filter right here. To do that, I'm gonna spray it with some parts cleaner, some brake cleaner from the outside in. All right, cleaned up, ready to go back in. Take a look at this O-ring on here, make sure that's in good shape. Definitely a good idea to go ahead and replace that. Putting them back together is the exact opposite. So screen filter goes into the spring seats inside the cap, and this all goes in just like that. And then if you're using a torque wrench, tighten it down to 11 foot-pounds. All right, and then to add the oil, just unscrew the dipstick right here. There's another O-ring right here to take a look at, pay attention to. Throw your funnel on, and then add the oil. For 1 quart, I'm gonna let it settle out and kind of check it before I add any more. But that's pretty much it. After you're at a good level, and good to be taking it from the bike being level, so I'm gonna clean it over a little bit. You're good to go.